Stay warm, little house. The storm is growing. What have we here? Poor little thing. Peace now, we are out of the wind. You will sleep by the fire tonight, little one. We will see the sun tomorrow. Time to wake the others. Good morning, old friend. Did you keep our guests safe? There is the spirit. You are a survivor. The mountain is kind today. Soon, we will have a little warmth in our bellies. We have a long winter ahead, but we are not alone. Everyone must eat to stay strong, little hunter. Careful, it bites back if you are not ready. Soon, we will have a little warmth in our bellies. We have a long winter ahead, but we are not alone. The day is fading, my old friend. taste of the forest, little one. She is not finished with us yet. We will stay together tonight. It is safer. Still here. We are all still here. Breathe it in, old girl. The sky is clear. Not today, Mountain! Not today! Safe and sound, little shadow. Rest well, old friend. You are the foundation of this house. Not for you, little one. Too hot for a nose like yours. The mountain can scream all it likes. We are home. Look, my friends. The mountain has shared her light at last. We must make a way for the sun to reach the floor. Feel that, little hunter? The world is waking up. For you and for me, we have enough. Let the wind come. We are ready. The sky is a different shade of gray today. Something is coming. Walk steady, little one. The snow is our floor today. There you go. Strength for the long night ahead. Rest well. I will see you when the stars are high.